Okay. So the another topic for today is for operation modes. Operation modes here. Operation modes. So operation modes means there is a concept in SAP. So converting, normally if you want to increase the dialog work process, you need to change the parameter in the RG10 and we need to do the restart, right? RG10, we need to do the restart. We want to increase the background, restart. But restart is required, but we don't have the any downtime, right? We don't have any downtime activities here, right? We don't have any downtime activities. In that case, what we have to do? Without downtime, how can we increase the process here, right? So that is the reason SAP introduced here one of the concept is called the operation modes. Operation modes, which means so without restarting, without one time, if you set up with converting, so BTC work, existing BTC work process to so dialog, and also we can also converting so the existing dialog work process to so BTC level we can convert it here. This mechanism is called the operation modes. This means so converting existing work process, dialog work process to BTC, BTC to dialog. So when we will convert it as per the timelines, right? So why we have to convert it? If you want to permanently increase it, you don't have any downtime and you don't have you have some capacity issues, memory, CPU issues. So increasing the work process is not it's not that much of easy. Just changing the parameters is not the solution. So you need to check the OS level memory and CPU also. US level memory and CPU also important here, right? So that kind of things we have to do that one. So here converting dialog work process to BTC and BTC to dialog is very important here, right? So here, so as part of this operational mode concept is we will convert it. So why we have to convert it here? So normally, as per the business flow, we have the peak hours, business hours and non-peak hours, peak hours and non-peak hours here, right? So during the peak hours, more users will log in. More users means more dialog work process are required, right? More users means more dialog work process are required. But that time, so less BTC process should be enough. Why? Because we don't require that many BTC process during the business hours. Why? Because so jobs will run only night hours only. Why? Because users will use the system during the peak hours. Suppose if you take the India peak hours, 9 to 6 are the very peak hours, business peak hours. So during that time, we need more work process are required, which means more users will log in means more dialog work process will so required to log into the user. But I have BTC work process are there, those are the free. So shall I convert that BTC to dialog? So dialog to BTC. And also non-peak hours, we required more BTC work process are required here. More BTC work process are required here. So that time, so less dialog work process are required. So nighttime, we don't require that many. Why? Because nighttime, who will log into the system and do the business, right? Sometimes it's very less hours. So in that case, what we can do, we can use the night hours. We can use the night hours. We can use the we can night time. So we can decrease the sum of the dialog work process, increase the BTC work process, means operational modes concept. As part of this concept, so we will convert existing as per the timelines. We will convert the dialog work process to BTC, BTC to dialog. We can convert it here. So timelines we have to define. When you need more dialog work process, less BTC. When you need more BTC, less dialog. Like that, we need to define the modes here, right? This procedure is called the conversion of converting the existing one. You are not shutting down, you are not changing. Just as per timelines, automatically system will switch this process from one to another here, right? So here, the mainly you useful transaction codes is are the RZ04, we will do the all the configuration. RZ03, we will check it out. SM63, we will do the timelines, configuration, and everything. So as part of the operational modes, there are the three transaction codes are useful here. One is the RZ03 to check the whether the operational modes are active or not. 04, all the configuration we will perform in the RZ04 here. So then RZ03. So there are the lot of hardware here, right? We can do this kind of things here, right? So now to perform this one, log into the system here. To log into the system, go to the, so check the users are there. Yes. So what we can do here, go to the, so RZ04 first. So here some few things are active here. See, there are some active. They have created. Our guys are as part of the practical. So they have created, right? So what we can do here, so they have created here. Now what I will do here, I will go to the RZ04 for the configuration here, right? First of all, I need to check the how many are there here, right? So if you see the 8 dialog work process, 5 background work process are there here. 8 plus 5 are there here, right? 8 plus 5, right? So but during the peak hours, fine. But with the peak hours, why we need this 5 BTC work process unnecessarily active? We can pull this 3, right? We can make it 3 BTC in the dialog mode. Remaining 2, we can 10, we can make it in the dialog, right? 10 dialog work process. We want to increase, then there is a memory CPU. But if you convert existing one, so that will be sufficient here, right? That will be sufficient here. So then what we can do, if you go to the RZ04 here, then we can create the modes here, right? What I can do here, so peak hours like that I'm creating the peak hours, then one more non-peak hours, peak hours and non-peak hours here, right? So two modes I'm, what is that? Peak hours, non-peak hours, okay? You two modes you created here. This is a peak hours, non-peak hours. Two things you have created. Then go to the instance and profiles here, right? So there are already profiles, instances and profiles already there. Let me delete the entries here, right? Click on the create new instance, right? So here it will ask the host name of the your server, then KP online, right? So instance number 00. Then what is the profile parameter? Which profile parameter? This is the one, right? Then you have how many? 8 dialogues, right? Background work process 7. Oh, 7 work process are there. So then, so we can so save the setting here, right? We can save it here, right? We created the one profile here, right? Here, so here you need to select the which operation modes you want to peak hours, right? Peak hours. Here, how many you have the peak hours? 8 and 5. So here, what I will do? I don't want to 8, fine, but I don't want to background only 5 is there, then I can decrease, then I can make it 9 here, right? So 9 plus 4, right? 8 plus 5, 9 plus 4, 9 is enough actually. So only one is I decreased it here. Then so one, then just just click on the other operation modes here, right? Other operation modes here, other operation modes. So then here check the non-peak hours again here. So non-peak hours, you don't require non-peak hours, we don't require this many. Then we can decrease the, so this one to here, and this one we can increase to the up to 8, we can increase it here, then save it, right? Save it here, right? Work process distribution, right? So we can save it here, right? So which means, so peak hours and non-peak hours here, right? Peak hours and non-peak hours. So you are setting this one here, right? So what we can do, we can decrease, we can increase, plus and minus symbol, we can do that one. Then save button, then save, right? You see here, peak hours. Peak hours means during the daytime. So 9 dialogues, 4 BTC, right? Non-peak hours. So 5 plus 8, right? Night time. Night time we need more BTC. Then we increased. Then click on the save button here. Click on the save button here. Done. It's done. Instance profile you created here. Now you need to assign the timelines here. Go to SM63 is the transaction code for the timelines here, right? Timelines here. So now what you want to do? Peak hours. Peak hours means 9 to example 8 to 6, right? So peak hours 8 to 6 here, peak hours here. Then you can select the peak hours, right? Then remaining, select here in starting and ending here. These are the non-peak hours, right? Then assign this non-peak hours. Then click on the OK button. Then timelines are set here, right? Which as per this timeline, as per this hours here, your work process adjustment will happen here. Save this one here. Then go to RZ03 here, right? RZ03, it is active here, right? It is active here. RZ03, it is active here. Switch to the operation modes, all the servers here, peak hours, right? So automatically it will switch it out. Automatically it will switch it out here. Then if you go to the SM50, we can observe it here. We can observe it here. So see here, how many are there? 9 are there here, right? How many are there? 4 is there. Previously, 8 plus 5 is there. Now 9 plus 4 are there. So it got changed, right? Immediately, as per the timelines, immediately it got changed here. Sir, where you define the timelines and what is the time you set it out here, right? You see here now the system time is here 6:15, right? So if you go to the SM63 here, SM63 here, SM63, so 6, the arrow mark is there. So in this time, peak hours are there. That's why the peak hours are set here. Peak hours are set here. So immediately the work process got one BTC work process got converted to the dialog. It got converted, right? So we can see the logs as well here. If you go to the SM621, yeah, we can check the logs, operational mode, switch got happened, operation, so switch got happened, something like that. So we will get the one message here, switch the operational mode is triggered, right? So it is happened. Then work process 13 switched from the BTC to dialog. You can see it's not my words. So the system is telling like this here. See, one work process is converted in the dialog mode. So without any restart, work process are converted. Right? We can utilize this option actually. If you have the shortage, if you want to permanently increase, we can increase it. But with SAP, we have the option converting the existing work process, only dialog and BTC here, not other work process here, right? Only dialog and BTC, we can convert it here using this concept, right? Using this concept, we can convert it. That is the concept of the operation modes. Suppose example, now you see how many are there. So 9 and 4. What I will do here, I will reverse the, now will reverse the schedule now here. So which means peak hours. So just select it, then remove the assignment. So starting of the entry, ending of the entry, then delete the assignment. Now what I will do? So peak now, so now what I will do? So here 9 to this one, I can make it as a non-peak hours. Non-peak hours. Suppose example, non-peak hours. Non-peak hours. Something, this is not hours one, right? This is not hour one. This is not hours. Hours is the some different letter. Hours is the, yes, this is the non-peak hours, right? And this two and this one, peak hours, SN peak hours, right? Then save it. Then you done the save. right? If you go to the SMRZ04, 04 we done it, 03 operational modes differs here, right? So as for the timelines here, now if we go to the SM50, it should convert it here. It should convert it here, right? So we should wait. Otherwise,
We
if you
need
want,
to activate it through RG3.
yes, right. So here, what we can do, we can switch it out non-peak hours, then it will switch. So it will switch it out here, operational modes here, right? It will switch operation modes and everything here, right? See here, immediately it's converted from the, so 5 here and 8 is here. Sir, how it got converted? Without informing, right? So that is the timelines. As per the timelines, it got converted, right? It got converted here, right? That's what it's happening here in the system here, right? So based upon this timelines here, right? So now what you can do here, so what you can do, you can change that one. Why? Because we need more. We need more. So change this one. So I'm deleting. So change this to the back. So make it like 8 is the dialog mode, peak hours India dialog mode. But system is running in the CST or EST time zone. So based on that, you can adjust it. Okay. So based on that, you can adjust the configurations and everything here. So simple. So we need to go to the RZ04 first, create the modes. Okay, create the modes. We have to create it here. Peak, non-peak hours modes. Then go to the instance modes. Then select the instance. Then create the, so some other some create it here. Ad hoc, some other like ad hoc report. So then host name, right? Host name. Then profile, just choose the profile, which instance profile, so then just click on the save it here, right? Save it. So it's already there, so just save it. Then it will go to the next step. From there we can do the changes here. There we can, it will come to the next screen here, right? This kind of things we can perform it, right? This is the way we can perform the configurations here, right? You can delete it, you can reconfigure it here. So peak hours, non-peak hours. So without any disturbance to the users, without any downtime, without any resources, we can achieve this concept. That's why SAP given the operation modes concept. Okay.